Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to introduce you guys to a stylish and versatile piece for your wardrobe. This is my racer back halter bodysuit top, and I got it in the color brown. First and foremost, I want to talk about this design. The halter neck and racer back style of this bodysuit exudes confidence and sophistication. It's a statement piece that can elevate any outfit, whether you're dressing up for a night out or adding flair to your everyday look. I think this bodysuit is super versatile. It pairs well with a skirt or jeans or shorts. You can dress it up, you can put a blazer over it and take it to work, or you can put sneakers on with it. Either way, the options are endless. When it comes to comfort, this bodysuit does not disappoint. The fabric is very soft and stretchy, so if you're looking for a way to refresh your wardrobe with style and comfort, this is a great option. And that's my point of view.